Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to help you to fix your WP form issue. So if you are using WP form with your G Suite account, it means you are using Gmail service provided by Google, and if you are facing any issue with receiving email notification, then I am here to help you to fix your email notification issue without installing any plugin. So first you need to install form plugin, which you may already have or using it. So let me install the WP form plugin. So this step is only valid for the person who is not receiving email notification on his email ID. This will the issue is also fixed if you are using contact form 7 or any other plugin. So let me guide you how to fix this issue. It is very easy and anyone can fix this by their own. So let me install this and let me create my first form. Just create with any name. So I am creating a dummy form. You can use your existing form. To go to your existing form setting, you just need to like this is my new form, but if you want to edit anything in your existing form, then you need to go to your WP dashboard. Then you need to go to WP, then all forms. Then you need to edit, click on edit. Now you need to go to setting, then notification. So you need to replace few values. So here you can see default notification option, send to email address. So first you need to delete this email ID, and you need to use this code for your G Suite email ID. So example, my website is Contour host. I will replace XYZ with Contour, and here will be .com, and don't replace anything here. Just this will be same for every email ID. So initially if I am using info@contourhost.com, then I need to use this format. Example, I am using email ID of deepak@contourhost.com, then I need to use like this. So in case if you are using contact@xyz domain, then you need to use like this. So after using this, example, I am using info@ email ID, so I need to just keep this one and save. So now if someone will now you need to use this form in your contact where you want to use, and you just need to test the form. It will work perfectly fine, because I have already tried this. And also, if you need to make sure to go to your user setting, and also you need to go to your general setting. You need to make sure your email ID, username email ID should be in what email ID you need to keep, and what email ID you want to receive the notification. So info@contourhost.com. Another one is administrator email ID. You need to use the same. So you need to make sure to use the same email ID what is available here, and then you need to test. So in this you don't need to install any WP SMTP plugin, because in SMTP plugin they are providing paid service. Means you need to buy if you want to connect WP Office 365 or Office uh, G Suite, then you need to buy their plans. So here in this way you don't need to buy anything, and this will fix your issue. So if you like the video, please do subscribe our channel, and don't forget to comment if you face any issue. I am here to help you. Thank you for watching. Thank you.